Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Draw. Thank you so much for waiting my new video, and this is your friend Niku with a new picture today. So that is your bird. Yes. So with the 3 steps I will draw your bird. That is a colorful bird. So the first step is your pencil drawing, and there is some details over there, and the second step is your coloring, and the third step is very important. So why that is important? Because you have to sketch by your pencil after the coloring. So that's the crucial point, that's the interesting points also. So you have to give that details, and as it is not a specific bird, so it is a colorful bird, so you can choose your colors according to you to make some fun. So let's start. So first of all we have to take a curve to represent the whole body of our bird like this, and a straight line towards this. So this line should be towards at the last level of your paper. Then from upper level you have to again draw a curve also like this, and just lower here also, and again you have to take like this, very slowly you have to take, and again squeezing this line like this, and make this line over here, just end over here, just end here again. So here is the total body part. Then you have to take the wing part of the bird, so which represent like this, some design, the feather, and from another side also like this, like this. Then we're gonna draw the beak of the bird. So for that you have to take line like this, and the line a small cute beak like this. For that you have to take your pencil very slowly, as I have told you before. So here is the leg part. You have to take a line, another line, and line, the line joint here, another line, another leg like this. Just fill it. So here are your whole leg. Then a branch of the tree, where the bird is seated like this. You can give some details over here also if you wanna to do so. Some details over here, and here is the small cute little eye of our bird. Now the first step is done. Moving to the second step, that is our coloring step. Hi. So it was a lovely having you again, and I hope you have enjoyed these all steps. And if you like this video, please be there in my next video. Until that time, just do your homework, but practice well. And I will see you in my next upcoming video, and I will make so much of a video for you very soon. Just practice yourself, and thank you so much once again for being my awesome art friend, and bye bye.